Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Chris here with nuppfx, and today I'm going to show you how to make a fairly quick and easy mold for casting something that you can use as a greebly or just anything you want to. Now, if you're careful, these can be multiple castings, but generally, because this is a never dry clay, once you start messing around with it, it's going to deform. So as long as you have the master of whatever you're casting, you can just keep pressing it and then recasting as well. So let's just jump right in. Now, I am not quite sure what's going on in my resin. Maybe it got too warm being in the shop, but normally I take it inside. I forgot about it for one day, so I'm kind of guessing that's what happened with why it turned out so foamy. But the texture on the top here is very nice, so I would say just paint job, some primer, paint job, and then it'll look good and you can just glue it on whatever you need to. So once again, thank you for sticking around until the end of the video. There are some links down in the description below that help support the channel, help me keep doing and creating. The videos might become a little less because I just started school again. I'm getting an IT certification program, so just bear with me. I hope you guys understand that, and remember to stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you on the next one.